Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing essentials: a valid ID and a secondary proof, your phone charged, and a stable network. Once done, open Ypay and grant camera and microphone permissions. This avoids session drops. Make sure lighting is even and your face fills the frame. This improves liveness detection and reduces repeat attempts. You'll see an on-screen checklist. Follow it exactly because the app validates items in real time and rejects blurry or obstructed documents. You now perform the core steps. First, capture the front of your ID, hold it steady about 10 to 15 centimeters from the camera, and tilt slowly if instructed. This helps the app read holograms and microprint. Next, photograph the back and then take a clear selfie. Once prompted, speak the short phrase aloud so the system can match voice and liveness. Pause and enunciate. Make sure to follow each on-screen cue in sequence to prevent session timeouts and rejections. You finish by reviewing captured images and tapping submit. The app will display a processing message and typically sends confirmation within minutes. If verification fails, retry within 24 hours and adjust common failure points. Improve lighting, remove glasses or hats, ensure document edges are visible, and clear camera lens. If automated retries continue to fail, capture the session ID from Ypay and contact support for manual review.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.